Hey Quantum, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing some squishy dares, so yeah, let's just get on with the video. First, it's to cut open your favorite mini paper squishy, and I have a special place to keep my favorite mini one, and it's this avocado because it's pretty squishy. I want to cut this open. Fine. I guess we're going to make like a tiny slit like that. Okay, so this is like a brainstorming. What? So I pulled all the things out. Yay. Next squishy dare is to cover up a squishy in some slime. So I have my slime, white slime, and we're just going to be covering up my Ready Mango. Here's my Ready Mango. And some slime. This is pretty sticky. If you can, yeah. I hope this doesn't stick. I've done this before and it didn't stick, so I hope this doesn't stick. Ow. It just peeled right off. Did you guys hear that? Oh my God. I love this slime. That was not me, that was the slime. Here's the Ready Mango. Okay. Next squishy dare is to cut open a mini paper squishy. Let me go find one first. So instead of cutting open one, I'm going to make it more extreme and cut up 3. And here are the victims. This rainbow pillow, this pillow, and this apple. So yeah, let's just cut these open. And I don't really like these ones, so I don't really care. They're really hard to cut. But I finally pulled the things out, and as you can see, it's hollow now. This one, and this one already has holes, right? Oh yeah. You see that hole? If it's see the hole right there. I'm just gonna poke my scissors in. Oh wait, it's not a hole. What? Oh wow. I'm just gonna be cutting open. That was intense, but let me make this a little bigger. Okay. And finally, this one. Oh, I like that one. And bags, hollow. Oh, this could be like a squeeze toy. Okay, so I pulled out some stuffs. So, yeah. We're not going to be doing a lot today because my main reason was because a lot of people wanted me to cut open mini paper squishies. So yeah, thanks for watching and goodbye.